In this video, it's going to be a yarn haul. This is most of the yarn that I ordered the other day from Michael's. There was a couple of things that were like not boxed up at the time of shipping that are like stragglers basically. So you won't see those, but you'll see most of it. And I think it was in my last video that I wonder if you've seen it before this. The last video I recorded was my crochet with me, and I was working on a custom order for a cat and an otter. I don't know what order these will go up in, but I was like showing you my yarn shelf and then showed you my like little section of, I think it's Sweet Snuggles or Chenille Home. They have the same specs and they're both from Michael's and they're both like the same price. So I just like use them interchangeably. But I wanted to have like a section of like jumbo yarn. So I like ordered more yarn to complete that section because I mean, the bigger you can make an item, the more you can sell it for. So yes. So let's see. Okay. So this is Sweet Snuggles and this is the color Silver. So it's like a nice light gray. It almost has like a light blue hue to it. I guess that is kind of picking up on camera. So it's definitely a blue gray. I got more mustard because I just used this color, which is actually called mustard. And this is Chenille Home. See, they're like exactly the same weight. And let me see the specs because I'm pretty sure they are identical too. Yeah, 109 yards, 100 or 250 grams. So, oh, and they're both Loops and Threads brand. So I wonder why they have two different lines that are basically identical. Odd choice. But I had used these for a sunflower turtle. So while I do have mustard already, I wanted to re-up. I have black already, but I also wanted to re-up because, you know, you can never have too much black. So this is Chenille Home in black. Chenille Home. Because it looks way different. This is color number CH26. I'm pretty sure all the colors I ordered had real names. So this was probably vintage white or vanilla or cream or something. This next color is coral. This is Sweet Snuggles. This is a pretty color. I like it. That's in my orange section. This is Peacock, Chenille Home. It's blue. This almost looks the same as whatever that color is. Does that one still have a label on it? No, the one above it. What color is that one? Turquoise? Okay. So Peacock is almost the same color as turquoise. Turquoise? That's a hard word to say. See, this one, I ordered a couple that were like kind of off-white cream because I figured they'd be good mushroom stem colors. And they had names when I ordered them. But yeah. And these are both Chenille Home. So good luck trying to figure it out. If you want to know, this is CH09, but it's just not listed that way on the website. So I don't know if that's going to be of any help. It is good. Mint is a good turtle color. This is Sweet Snuggles. Color mint, like we said. Like, wouldn't that be a cute turtle? Yes, it would. Let me just answer that for you. CH22. Good old CH22. You know what? That's my favorite color. CH22. I think this was called, and it was something green, obviously, because it's green. I mean, I guess that's not picking up on camera that it's like really green. It's coming out like almost grayish on camera. It's something like that. It was like vine green, something. But it's a dark green. I figured that would be nice for just a lot. Stems on things. Sunrise is less orange than I thought it would be. I wanted this to be, I guess, how it looks on the screen, but it's definitely got an almost pink kind of quality to it. This is Sweet Snuggles. Also Sweet Snuggles, the color red, which is almost kind of looking like a pink on camera. The color I did my pink flamingo with. This is color ash, Chenille Home. And this last one is called Pink. And it is Sweet Snuggles. So that would be another good turtle combination. Yeah, so that's the yarn. I did order because I wanted to have literally like a hit each color of the rainbow. So I've got like a purple coming, which I think is called lavender. Let's see, red, orange, yellow. I think I have another green coming, but don't quote me on that. And then I hit the blues already. Hello, so I wanted to pop in and do this quick little clip because I had showed you guys the yarn that I got the other day in my, what was it, Michael's? I think it was Michael's order. But then I got the rest of the yarn I had been waiting on in, which was like Parfait Chunky and more from Michael's. So now I've got like all the yarn that I've ordered and I've like finished my yarn wall, which I like had shown in a video. I think it was my Crochet With Me video. I don't remember. But either way, I just wanted to do like a little update on all of that because it's finished, at least for now, and I'll like show you guys. And it's not the most organized with like my stuff on top right here, but I mean, it is what it is. And I still have yet to organize like around the corner on my like shelf that was my original yarn wall before my like yarn stash just like was way too much for that. So yeah, that's a work in progress. I'm a very busy person. So I have not got there yet, but I will. But yes, so let's take a little walk. Okay, so we'll go through my stuff because I've added a couple things. Oh no, it's falling. Fix this. I'm back. Well, this flower was facing forward. I'm not really sure how that turned, but oh well. Anywho, this macrame thing was in my house. You guys have seen this with the purple flowers, and then I have it holding yarn, which I think is really funny. Up here, I've added some stuff that I got at markets previously that I used to just keep in my like cash box. I got this little crystal ball. This is a ring with like morganite and some other stones. It's from my friend that has the jewelry business. I guess that's like really redundant, but you get what I'm talking about. But I use it as like a little holder for the mini crystal ball. And this is a mini rose quartz mushroom. Then you guys have seen this stuff. Got Taylor Swift, more macrame that was in my house. The flowers, Stars Hollow, Mischief Managed. It's not hoarding up its yarn. My like friends stuff, some more Harry Potter stuff. And then I don't remember if that was like hung up properly last time, but it is now if it wasn't. Ooh, I just stepped on my dog a little bit. That's my crochet books. That's my Lauren Graham books. That's my like joke about like my room of requirement would be like a yarn room. And then this is the beginning of the wall. Trying to like step back. So this is pretty much all Bernat blanket in this section, except for two skeins. That one, that like light orange, and that like speckly orange down there. Those, I think, what was it, Sweet Snuggles? And I said that for like a collaboration video I did a while back. So because it's got like similar specs and in size to the Bernat blanket, I have it with that. This right here is all my yarn from Michael's. It's a combination of Chenille Home and Sweet Snuggles, which have the same specs. So a lot of this is like what I had gotten from Michael's recently. So I have like a whole like jumbo section. This is stuff from Parfait. What is it? This is Parfait XL from Premier Yarn that you haven't seen yet. So I only got some just to kind of fill out some colors that I felt like I was missing here. I didn't need black or white, but you know, you can never have too much black and white. So I just wanted to like add to this, and it's got about the same thickness. Like you could use it in the same project and it'd be fine. I also got some, what is it, Little Bunny from Premier. So that's right there. And we'll go down here. This is my funky shaped skeins. I've got two cones. That is, what is it, Peaches and Cream yarn, all cotton yarn. That's obviously just chenille from Premier. And that's one of those, what brand is this? It's a Karen cake in what I believe is a discontinued color. Don't quote me on that. It is rice pudding. I like the color on it. I just don't know what to use it for because I've only got that one skein. Well, let's put this upright. Then we go into my Parfait Chunky section, which is obviously in order by color, and it ends about here. Then the rest of the yarn is yarn I don't use too often anymore because I mostly work with the like fuzzy yarns, but it's ordered by like skein length. So like these are, what's that? Half Smart yarn, majority of them, but like it's a long skein. It's the same size skein as like Red Heart and stuff. So all of the long skeins are first. And then we go into like medium length skeins. I just wanted it to be able to stack better. So this is definitely like full like miscellaneous yarn. And then after that, we end with like thicker chunks of yarn. This is like ribbon yarn and like chunky skeins, which continue over here. They get bigger. Up here are little skeins and then kind of miscellaneous, like extra little skeins that are just a mess. So they didn't fit. So these are like real short. It's the height of the side of the thing or less. These are, I'm calling them novelty yarns. This is glow in the dark. This is a Line brand yarn. And then this, I still haven't figured out what I want to use it for yet, is the Juicy Couture yarn, but I like needed to buy it, so I did. And then those two boxes down there are where I'm going to be like storing market prep, which clearly I'm off to a fantastic start. I got this little elephant. I do have a finished penguin over there, but it's not there yet. And then we'll go on top. This and this right here are my like Annie's crochet kit blanket that I'm making. You can see the like blanket that I've started. I'm obviously behind, which I'm not shocked, honestly. This is my traveling yarn bag. I got it from Hobby Lobby. This is like miscellaneous stuff. Oh, that opened. That's some of the jewelry for my friend that I ordered. And then this is stuff my sister sent me like some stickers. I've gotten some stickers and some things I've ordered. So I just chuck it in this little bin. And also, this really shouldn't be in there, but I don't know what else to do it. It's my like little Harry Potter change purse. And like my world's dirtiest lanyard. But I take that to when we had universal passes. We don't anymore. That was my like universal card holder pass because I can like wear the lanyard with the change purse and have our like passes like in there, and it's super easy, convenient, can carry money, like all the little things. So yeah, this is mostly shipping stuff. I do have my double-sided tape in there right now. There's some tissue paper, lint to like lint roll it. There's like an open one of these in the back. Tape for the boxes, washi tape, all the things. I'm at the point where I feel like it's okay for me to buy like unnecessary stuff for my business that's nice. Like thank you cards I find unnecessary, but they do make your packaging look nice. So like this is the beginning of my like working on my packaging and not having it look like crap. But it'll probably always kind of look not great compared to other people because I use like USPS priority mail boxes. Like they're not particularly pretty, but they get the job done. And I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but you can get them for free through the USPS like website. So if you live in the United States, the United States Postal Service, you can get free boxes from them. And like that cuts down on costs. So I use free boxes. So they're not the most like gorgeous box you've ever seen, but I'm going to continue to use them. You can also, at least where I live, get free tape. This tape says priority mail on it. That's why it looks all like red and weird. And I use that to tape my box. And then I use this clear tape that I just get from the dollar store to like put on the label because it's like clear. So I could put it over the label. This is my keychain stuff. This is kind of miscellaneous, but it's like tools for amigurumi mostly. I have price tags in there. I've got like calligraphy pens because I've been actually putting like a handmade label on my custom order stuff. So I like to write if it was like inspired by like somebody's pet, I like to write the name of the pet on the back of the like little handmade tag. These are joints for like making movable arms and legs. I guess not movable, but like posable. Fry boxes for when I do chicken nuggets. Floral wire because weirdly that's good to have. Safety eyes and felt eyes. I need to continue putting the safety eyes in here, but I like got as far as doing one and then realized I needed a second one because like a lot of these were like full. I used a lot of my 16s, but I couldn't even get that one open at one point. I just haven't got there yet, you know. And then that's like about it for my yarn wall update. It's been a lot of work just to get here. So I just wanted to show you guys, isn't it pretty? Oh, these hooks are here for something that hasn't come yet, but I think it'll be pretty cool. I'll show you it when it comes in, but I won't tell you. But yeah, that is the little update. It's not perfect. If you'd like more crochet content, check out this video right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!